So we have 5 different types of LigaSure handpieces that we can plug into our main LigaSure machine. Those are kept in theatre 2 and theatre 4, so they're mainly used for soft tissue really. These are our 2 sort of day-to-day ones that we tend to use. They look very similar. This is called long jaw, so you'll be able to see it. Its jaw is just slightly longer and slimmer than this, which is kind of a stubbier, shorter jaw. So Faye likes the stubby short one and everyone else likes this longer jaw. So short jaw, long jaw. They're kept in the cupboard out in the sterile corridor area in the white cupboards. We then move on to, this is like a longer handpiece. So this handpiece seals and divides, which again showed you the other 2, but it's got this longer arm to it. So what you can see is this can obviously go into the dog further. So this is 23 centimetres and the tip is 5 millimetres. So when they ask for it, that's how they'll ask. They'll ask for the size. They'll say LigaSure, 5 millimetres, 23 centimetres. Basically, that's the smallest long-stemmed LigaSure that we own. The other small-stemmed that we own is this beast. This has a much bigger jaw. This has a 10 millimetre jaw, as you can see. And it still has the 23 centimetre stem. So again, it's not used for laparoscopic surgery, it's just used for open surgeries. And if you look in really closely, it's quite hard to see, or you can see it there, you can see in the middle of the slit, that's actually where the blade will come out of. So it will cut and then it will use the cautery to seal. So it's a cutting and a cauterizing unit, and that's why it plugs into the LigaSure unit, because it uses cautery. Our last one is our laparoscopic LigaSure. It's exactly the same as the first one we saw, as in the tip is 5 millimetres, but the length of the actual stem is 37 centimetres, so it allows it to go down the trocar and ports. So those are our 5 different types of LigaSure. The main thing is you just need to remember that they have to go into the LigaSure unit, so you need to make sure that's in theatre, and they're all activated by the surgeon, and the buttons and the handpieces, so you don't need any pedals for them and you don't need a cautery mat.